Home Dream Team, and today I'm going to show you how to clean a bamboo floor. And it's relatively easy. Bamboo is a naturally hard material and it's actually more resistant to water damage than hardwood. And of course, it's very environmentally friendly. But cleaning your bamboo floor is cost effective and super easy. We're actually going to use just vinegar and water. You're going to take some water, 1 quart actually, and then you're going to add to that 1/4 cup white distilled vinegar. And that's it. Just mix it together, put it in a spray bottle, because what you're going to do is you're going to mist your floor and use a dry mop. This will prevent water damage, it'll prevent your floor from bowing, and it's so effective, so inexpensive, and so easy.